Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the blurring effect or function on your drawings using the ibisPaintX application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your gallery and select an already existing image, or you can also create a new one by clicking on this plus icon in the down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then select a canvas of your preferences, and then you are ready to draw something that later on you can test the blurring effect on. So click on this brush icon down below, which is the second option, and then select the blur effect or function indicated with this image of a drop. So click on it, and then if you draw with it, or so you can basically use it by simply going all over your drawing or any part of it, so you can make it look like it's blurred by going to that relevant part of your drawing that you would like to make to look like it's blurred. So you can play with this function by going through a particular area more than once, so you can make it look like it's more blurred than other parts of your drawing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.